Welcome to the Pronoun Antecedent video training. In this video, we will learn about how to make the pronouns agree with its antecedent in terms of number and gender. Pronouns are words that substitute for nouns. The antecedent of a pronoun is the word that the pronoun refers to. A pronoun should refer clearly to its antecedent. A pronoun and its antecedent should agree in number, that is both singular or both plural, and, where applicable, gender, that is both male or both female. The doctor finished her duty. The doctors finished their duties. My dog, Krypton, sleeps on its own bed. Students must study hard if they want to succeed. Pronouns that refer to a collective noun must be analyzed whether it is pertaining to the group acting as a unit or individually. The committee granted its approval. Not there, because committee is considered as one acting body. The choir singers started arriving in the hall with their coach. There refers to each singer of the choir, arriving individually.
Indefinite pronouns are genderless, therefore some considerations must be made regarding the gender of the referring pronoun. When someone has been drinking, he or she is more likely to speed. Similar to indefinite pronouns, generic or common nouns may also be genderless. Therefore, the pronoun to be used has to refer to both genders. A medical student must study hard if he or she wants to succeed.
Is the following sentence correct? Somebody is doing their best to accomplish the goals. The singular use of they and its inflections has gained acceptance in formal writing since 2015. They can now be used to refer to singular antecedents. However, there are still debates about this, and it is safe to use his or her in formal writing. In the next videos, identify the correct pronoun to be used. Pause the video for a few seconds while you are still trying to answer. The answer will be revealed after 5 seconds. Note that we are aiming for formal usage. You have completed this course. See you in the next video.